In this video, I am going to fix an issue that I just discovered. When I was trying to delete a post, it failed because there were some child comments under this post. So if there are comments, then it is unable to delete the post. So the reason is that we did not handle the comments deletion on post delete endpoint. So let's go to the post controller.ts and search for the delete post controller. And here we are deleting the post tag relations and other things, but we did not handle the comments deletion. So let's do that. So open the comment service in the backend project and search for the delete post comments. So we have this function and we are using it. Let me search where we are using it already. Find all references. We are using it in the category controller, but were not using it in the post controller. So let me copy this piece of code and go back to the post controller and let's paste this code here. So make sure to add the import statement for delete post comment like this, and we have to give it the post ID that we are trying to delete. Okay, we are getting the post ID from this data object, so let's just use it as it is here. Now it will delete all of the comments first, then it will try to delete the post. So let's give it a quick try. Hit the delete button and the post was deleted without any error this time, and all of the associated comments are also deleted. I found another issue is that I was trying to insert this post and this was the content of this post, but when I hit submit button I got this error that is saying that data too long for column content, but this content is not long at all. So we have to increase the size of our column. So open the model post.ts in the backend and here find the content. Okay, now let's look at the table structure of the post table. Go to the structure in the content. The default data type is varchar that has the 255 characters limit. That is not sufficient at all. So to bypass that, here I will add the type text. So in this way we would not have to specify any character length and this would just work. So as we want to update this, just save it. After saving that, it will not automatically update the structure. So we have to go to the index.ts in the database folder in the backend, and here I will add the property alter true. This will alter the table wherever needed. So save it. It is executing all of the statements that needs to be executed. Now reload it and you can see that the type has been changed to text. Okay, now I will comment this out again. Actually you can comment everything. We don't need the sync function enabled all of the time. You can just own it whenever you need it. Now I will try to create the post and it should just work fine. Let's try that. Okay, the post was created and there was no length issue. Now there is another issue that I would like to fix is that you can see the text styles are not working anymore. We increased the font size for the heading and we improved the paragraph styles, but nothing is working. If we go to the styles.scss, we added h1 tag styles and p tag styles, but after we have installed the Angular material, everything stopped working. So if you look at the index.html, Angular CLI automatically added this class on the root level in the main index.html. I will just remove it from here and I will add it in the admin component HTML so that it could affect only on the elements that are within the admin containers or components. So here, as this is the main component, so here will add this class here, copy the class name, paste it in this attribute. Okay, now things are fixed automatically, but we have to double check that it did not spoil our backend. So go to the admin and here you can see everything is still working. But if I remove this class from here, then let's see what happens. If you remove this class from here, you will see there are some problems in the text. So that's why this class is important to have. So we just moved it from the root level to admin level, and all of the typography styles would be affecting only the admin child components, and our public view would not be disturbed with the Angular material as we are not using Angular material in the public view. Now let's quickly address our another issue, that is I added some articles and I see that there is no line break. To consider the line breaks that we added in the admin, there is a class white space pre-line. If you save it, it should add the pre-line, but it did not add the line breaks because this is not a paragraph. That's why it is happening. So we can go to the post detail HTML, and here I can wrap it with the p tag like this. Save it, and now you will notice that everything is looking perfect. It is now taking the all of the text styles from the p tag, and like font size, letter spacing, etc., and also it is considering the line breaks. That is now looking much better than before. Okay, and this is also looking good.